Today we are talking about a topic that could be a game changer for your business: applying for net terms on Faire. Now, the tutorial for how to go about applying for net terms will begin at this timestamp. But before we begin, you might be wondering why you would want to apply for this to begin with. Net terms can be a powerful tool to help you supercharge your operations and your growth for 3 reasons. One is for financial flexibility. Net terms gives you more breathing room when it comes to paying for your inventory. Instead of immediate upfront cost, you can stock your shelves and pay at a later date. This can help you manage your cash flow more efficiently. Number 2 is it allows you to stock up and remain competitive. With net terms, you can order larger quantities of products, take advantage of bulk discounts, and ensuring you never run out of your bestsellers. This keeps your customers happy and your shelves stocked. And lastly, reason number 3, building strong relationships. Net terms can strengthen your relationship with your suppliers. It's a sign of trust and reliability, and it can lead to better deals, more personalized support, and even exclusive offers down the road. Now let's take a look at how to apply for net terms on Faire. So to begin, we're going to assume that you've already created an account on Faire.com and you're already logged into your Faire profile. Now from your Faire home screen, what you're going to do is click on the account button in the top right hand side of the screen, and under payment terms, you're going to click on apply for net terms. Now here you're going to list how much you would like to apply for net terms. I'm going with $5,000. The worst they can do is say no. From there, we're going to link our bank account, and this is where you're going to click on the continue button, and you're going to choose your actual bank account. I'm going to blur out this information because you do not need to see my bank account information. But once you are done filling out all of your bank account information, basically you just have to log in to your account. Now, once you're done connecting your bank account and authorizing Faire to have access to it, you're going to go ahead and click continue, and then you're going to click submit application. And there you have it. You have officially applied to net terms on Faire. Now it says that they take about 5 to 7 business days to go ahead and approve accounts. Well, for me, it took about 3 business days. And did they give me the full $5,000 amount? No, they actually gave me the starting amount at $750, but that's okay. It didn't hurt to ask. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because I share all the best tips for growing your business online. And I'm even providing you guys a freebie. If you're looking for a free list of wholesale vendors that have been verified for quality and customer service, make sure you download now at letsbuildaboutique.com. And with that, I'll see you guys next time.